So the first thing you want to do is you just want to open up the WeChat app. Now, once you've actually opened up the app, all you have to do is, if you just want to transfer all of these messages, all the files and photos, and just to another phone without having them be logging out and just having them delete it when you log into a new phone, you just go to the Me option, bottom right corner of the screen. Now, from here, you just go over to the Settings option. At the very bottom, when you click on Settings, you'll be brought to this page like so. Now, all you have to do now is you just want to go over to the General option, which is sort of in the middle of the screen. When you click on General, you'll be brought to this panel like so, and we just want to scroll down to the option that is called Chat History. And from here, you just click on Chat History, Migration, and Backup. When you click on that, all you got to do is you click on Backup and Restore if you just want to restore this entire phone. But we can click on Migration, and when you can choose that, you can click on Migrate to PC or another mobile device. I'm going to do another phone, so I'll pick that option. And when you click that, you click on Begin, and it will basically withdraw all the information from this phone and move it to another device or tablet or PC, depending on what you want to move it to. And it's really easy to do.